Hey, happy Tuesday. I think it's Tuesday. It's hard to tell anymore. Hey, I'm Patrick Kelley. I'm a distinguished architect at Zoom. So yeah, full disclosure, I do work. I do work for Zoom. I am not a figurehead for Zoom by any means. I am not a spokesman for Zoom. But a lot of times I talk about cool technology and it deals with Zoom. So that's what we're kind of going to talk about today is chat. Zoom chat has come a long way in the last 2.5 years, 3 years. It's part of the UCaaS strategy. It's part of the way we communicate nowadays. It's literally the way we start conversations with chat, with SMS, with texting. No longer are we first to email. A lot of times we're first to chat, and a lot of times you start chats with one person, and the one person's like, oh, you know what? I don't know. Let's invite Amy. Amy might know, and then Amy's like, I don't know. Let's invite the admin, and the admin might know, and pretty soon you might have what started out as a single chat between individuals to collaborate on something or ask a question or communicate it at some level. But then as you added members, that chat all of a sudden became more of a collaboration. It became more of an integral part of your workflow. It might be a current project that you're working on and you just kludged together a whole bunch of IMs. But now you want that chat that you've had to be a channel, right? You actually want this to be a channel, maybe even a searchable channel for other people to start working on this project with you. And no longer is it a chat between members. You actually want to convert that chat to a channel. Well, guess what you can do in Zoom? You can do exactly that. You can convert chats to channels. I'll show you how to do it. Here's an example one using my test account here. And in this chat, right, I'm just sending a couple of messages back and forth. I might send a picture of this handsome guy. I might send a file, and all of a sudden, this simple chat has now become a channel, and it's almost integral to my workflow. I have 4 or 5 members here. Right away, and anybody that's part of my company can't see this chat because it's all a private chat, right? But let's do this. Let's right click on this. Let's right click on this and go all the way down where it says, look at this, convert to channel. You can convert this chat to a channel. Watch this. As I convert this chat to a channel, I'm going to now name this a collaboration channel. Collaboration with Amy. I don't care what it is. I know now that I'm converting this chat to a channel. It cannot be undone. Once it's a channel, it's a channel. And it's actually a private channel because you don't want to open this channel up by default to everyone. This might be a private channel. So we're going to convert this to a channel. Now look at this. See, here's the difference. See this IM with MOD administrator? See that right there? See how there's like a little person, a private group chat right here? Then I actually am now making this a private channel. See the lock around it? It looks differently than a public channel, right? A public channel is right here, and this is a public channel. It even tells you if you hover over it. So pound signs, public channel, locked, makes sense. It's a private channel. You can now change this though. You can literally change the permissions on this channel should you want to do that. You can actually manage posting positions. You can edit the channel's name. You can assign a new admin. All these things now are part of a channel description, no longer a chat. So right now, by default, everyone that's in part of this private chat can post to this. We can actually clear the chat history should we want to start over again. We can obviously edit the channel name. If I wanted to edit the channel, I called it collaboration with Amy, but here's where we can change it from private. Now, what if we wanted to change it to public? We wanted to make this chat channel just a chat before. It is now a private channel. It is now going to be a public channel. And watch what happens to the icon, right? All the new members will also be able to see the posts of the messages of the previously members. So all this happening is right there. Another cool thing is that now that we have this channel set to public, it is now searchable. And so now look at this. Collaboration with Amy. Now it's gone from a private channel. It's now a public channel because we switched it. So now you can do within Zoom, when you start collaborating with individuals, and then that escalates to collaborating with teammates and colleagues, you now have the ability to change that chat convert it to a channel. Super cool feature.